Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to redeem reward codes on Monopoly Go. First, go to the Safari or browser app on your mobile phone. After that, search Monopoly Go reward codes in the search bar. Then, scroll down and it'll show you different websites to get rewards. You can go to any of the websites as the second one shown here. Next, scroll down and you'll see the box to claim your reward here. Before that, make sure to log in or sign up for your Monopoly Go account. Here, you can sign in with Facebook or download the Monopoly Go app. It'll get downloaded on the App Store or Google Play. Now, reach out the tab and search for boss coupons in the given search bar. Then, tap on the first website and scroll down. Next, you'll see the different codes and search for Monopoly Go codes. If the website isn't showing the Monopoly Go codes, you can go to the other website and search for it. Here, it'll show you the cash codes and dice codes. After that, tap on the dice code and unlock the code to get the code. To unlock the code, navigate to the Unlock Robust website. You have to install at least 2 of these apps to unlock the code. In the end, copy the code and paste it into the given area to redeem the code. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below, see you in the next one.